Man, what's happening, YouTube? Back. I'm back. I'm back. I had to go see G Body King. G Body King just got his daily whip out the lab, and it has a 9-inch lip. Man, you know I had to go catch that footage. So we gonna get in Maggie, cause I ain't pulled her out in a minute. She been in the garage chilling, you know what I'm saying? So we gonna pull her out. We gonna ride up here to Richmond, Virginia. So I got a little drive. And then we're gonna go check out G Body King, Monte Carlo, and the Regal. Yeah, we're gonna see what kind of update he got going on up there. You know what I mean? So stay tuned. I know MTW is killing the scene right now, but I'm about to slide on these Amanis and ride up north. So stay tuned and don't go nowhere. Like I said, don't go nowhere because I got the footage for you. Yeah. Man, it's Burke season, man. You know how we coming, ball underscore 34 SIT. We riding Burke life, baby. Yes, sir. You said you got driving a knucklehead. Yeah, let's go get some shine. G Body King has spoken. Not finished with it, but got the wheels on. 9-inch lips in the rear on 26s. Haven't seen a G Body come out with 6s with the big boy lips. It's crazy. Think he still gotta go to the paint shop. But interior done. Interior done. Floor mats. Think those the Sandman design. Monte Carlo. Yeah, Sandman SD. You know what I mean? Detail matters. Detail matters. Everything touched. Nine-inch lip. Look at the suspension. Let's go in here. We kind of a little shaky. We got coilovers, 4-link. Let's go in here. Got the 4-link system. Narrow rear end. All fab work. It's beautiful. Beautiful. You know what I'm saying? That man ain't playing with y'all. Not playing with y'all. He did not half-step this thing at all. This thing is wild. Like, if you seen this thing in person, it's crazy. And it's sitting on 6s like tough. Mr. G Body King, are you going in the paint booth?
Yeah. We're doing touch-up.
Look, and he don't even have to. That's the crazy part. I just know him though. I just know his style. But he don't even have to though. This thing is magnificent. And y'all know he got the Regal coming with, is on the rose gold, the same setup. The same setup. This is daily. This is daily. It's crazy. Bruh, everybody got to step that game up. You in the G-body game. 4-link, coilovers, everything. Tub, narrow rear end. You got to spend a bag to get this one. Now, my boy had a duplicate like this, and it was crazy on 4G. I didn't think he could top it. Not even gonna lie, I didn't think he could top that one. He topped it. He topped it. He got the 24s he had last time. He got these 6s looking like they 4s on here. Yes, it do drive, it does turn, it does all that. It does all that. Look at the trunk gang. He's not playing. Not playing. This the daily too. Y'all don't want to see the race car, the beauty one, the show one, the Regal. Y'all see it on his page though. Rose gold. This one right here, this is the daily. He's like, I gotta get me something to ride. He like 9 inches is the key. I said, okay. Sandman design, door jams, all that Sandman. Yeah, he nasty. Paint shop next. It's crazy. It's not done, just got out the shop. Just got out the shop. You know I had to catch that exclusive for you. Yeah, no. Boy, he's snapping. He is snapping. He got 6s looking like they 4s. With that big old 9-inch lip. So there you have it, YouTube. You got the MC in the back. You got the Regal coming up. This is the race car. Let's see. Let's get to it. Let's get to it. Can't show you too much, but yeah. You got that one slammed over there. So there you have it, YouTube, man. We had a G-Body's King shop, man. Look at the Mustang. Yeah. Get real serious in this shop. You want some horsepower, they gonna give it to you. But G-Body King got a lot of whips coming. He even got the Landau box coming soon too. So, he sold the last sets of G-Bodies he had. He was like, they was too small, he needed 9-inch lips. So the man's delivering you 9-inch lips on all the whips. They just new whips, like sold the other ones. Got these, they look exactly like the old ones, but they're not. Totally different cars. Got the 7.5 in here too, so yeah. Hey, G-Body King, tell me your Instagram now. Dub Deuces, man. So, hey, I'm gonna put his link right here, right underneath this video. Y'all go subscribe to this channel. Well, his Instagram anyway, you know what I'm saying? And like, subscribe, and share. Peace.